Somewhere between forgetting my password and getting in without one. That's my daily life. Once you understand how it works, you can't unsee it. Now I book vacations over the phone, like it's 1998. At least I've heard I'm not alone with this problem. Most people see a website. I see nothing but potential vulnerabilities I want to try exploiting. My sleep schedule filed a complaint years ago because there's always one more exploit I have to try. 90% of my inbox is HackTheBox and Try Hack Me, reminding me I missed my practice time again this week. I install so many tools daily, by morning I've forgotten how. I end up rewatching my own video for help. Not all hackers are introverts. Sometimes we gossip like normal people. Did you hear he automated the entire Log4j exploitation chain for Apache? No, he didn't. That's a dream he's had twice this week. Every project starts with the same lie. I'll just look, I won't try anything. Never once kept that promise. 90% of the time, all I get is a broken sleep schedule and 0 reported vulnerabilities. Vibe-coded applications are my love. Honestly, they're often better for practice than Try Hack Me. New labs, new vulnerabilities, new tools I'll forget by tomorrow. Every week. This is Mom, I'm a hacker. My parents still don't believe it. I couldn't even fix their router. Subscribe for the hacking chaos.